on his 4 furry feet.
That's my favorite part.
Pete is going to school, and he sings this song. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. Pete is sitting at his desk when Pete's teacher says, "Come on, Pete, down that hall to a room with books on every wall." Where is Pete going? Pete has never been to the library before. Does Pete worry? Goodness no. He finds his favorite book and sings his song. Reading! I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. Check out Pete! He's ready to eat in a big noisy room with tables and seats. Where is Pete? Or less syllables, the lunchroom. It can be loud and busy in the lunchroom. Does, I can't spell cafeteria. Does Pete worry? He sits down with his friends and sings his song. Eating! I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. Pete and his friends are playing outside on a green, grassy field with swings and tall slides. Where is Pete? Kids are running in every direction. Does Pete worry? He slides and swings and sings his song. Playing! I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. Now all day long, Pete sings his song. This is if you could show me the book too. I'm singing in my school shoes. Painting. I'm painting in my school shoes. I'm adding in my school shoes. And writing. I'm writing in my school shoes. When school is done, Pete rides the bus home. You're about to see Pete's mom. And Pete sits in the back of the bus. And you're about to check out what's about to happen. When school is done, Pete rides the bus home. Pete's mom asks him, "What did you do at school today?" And Pete says, "I was rocking. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. And I'll do it again tomorrow because all good.